Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see the next topic from your adjective lesson. In that, we have studied already degrees of comparison. Separately, one video I have sent, and in that, I have explained the types of the degree. Okay, that is the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. How to identify positive degree? Positive degree has in the positive degree main adjective is used, or the as between as beautiful as. Here beautiful, that is the main adjective, so between two as, so as main adjective is used. Then how to identify the comparative degree? In comparative degree there is a specific sign which is joined as a suffix to the adjective, that is er, than. Okay, er is joined and than is used in the comparative degree. If there is no er, if the word is more syllable, more than one syllable, then more than is used. Okay, suppose important, more important than. Now here more word is used, so that is the comparative degree. First of all, before going to deal with the next topic in your textbook, that topic is related in the change in the degree. You have to convert from positive degree to comparative degree. Means the sentence is given in the positive degree, you have to change into the comparative degree. If the sentence is given in the comparative degree, you have to change in the positive or the superlative degree. For that, the first thing you should know, that is first identify the given sentence, which is the degree is used in the given sentence. Okay, so first of all, if there is a er, than, more than, that is the comparative degree. If directly adjective is, that is the positive degree. Then what's about the how to identify superlative degree? If the est, the, then adjective and est is joined to the adjective, then that is superlative degree. Okay, if suppose big, the biggest. Okay, high, the highest. Always before the est to the adjective, the is used in the superlative degree. Then this is the sign that est is joined. If the word is more syllable, then what is joined? The most important. Okay, the most important. Suppose important word, important, this word has a more syllable, lengthy word we can say, so that should have the most important. To important we are not joining est, but we are joining, what we are adding, the more we are adding most. Okay, most. So what is the main point in the today's lesson? That you should see the sentence and identify the which kind of the degree is used in the given sentence. Then decide which kind of degree you want to use. In the textbook, if you see in the bracket the given, that make. Okay, what is rewrite this sentence using the words in the brackets, do not change the meaning. Now here what they said use the words which are given in the bracket. Now if in the bracket the word is given big, this is the main adjective, is it? So we have to do positive degree. If the given bigger, it is comparative degree, we have to use comparative degree. In few exercises they directly given to you, make a positive, make a comparative degree, make a superlative degree, so no issues in that. Okay, and so in this way you have to first think, identify the given degree, then think about the formula today which I am giving you, that are the formulas. Go through that and write down this whole chart in your notebook. Okay, today's work. Now first thing you understand, identify degree. Now you have to go to the degree which they said us. If they said to make us comparative degree, see the formula of comparative and go through that. Okay, actually there are only three degrees, that is a positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. For to your interchange of the degree, here in the box I have made part 3. Okay, if you follow these 3 parts and their rules, so definitely it will help you to change into the degree. Actually as you understand the chart, you can come to know what is exactly. There is only the interchange. Okay, for first thing, in the degree, most of you have the sentences to change into positive to comparative, comparative to positive, most of. Okay, so when you are changing positive degree to comparative, it means first column, see what I given, interchange of the degree, PD into CD. PD means what? Positive degree into comparative degree. That also has three formulas. Okay, simple positive degree into comparative. Actually there is not anywhere you find the simple positive, no other positive, very few positive. So these are the formulas given by observing the many examples and many books. Okay, first thing, what is given? Simple positive degree to the comparative. Let's understand the first formula. When you are going to change the positive degree into comparative, you have to identify the given sentence is in which formula. This is the simple positive. Yeah, no other positive means what? No other positive means no other word is there in the positive degree. In the given sentence, there is no other word. That time you are going to use second formula. If you find in the positive degree very few words, which words? Very few. These words, if you find, you are using third formula. I repeat, when you are changing positive into comparative, if you find first thing that this is the simple positive degree. Simple positive degree means what? The two persons are used, two nouns are used. Then there is a comparison as between as main verb, main adjective is there. So that is the simple positive. You can see in the example that Ram is as tall as Sham. Now here Ram is compared with Sham. And what is, this is the positive degree. Why? Because tall word is adjective is used as it is. Okay, so this is the simple positive degree. Now what I said about the second one, no other positive. No other positive means what? See the third sentence in the example. No other man in the Athens was as wise as he. Now here he is compared with the no other man. Okay, in the, so this degree has no other word, so that is we are going to consider as a no other PD. And how to change that no other word in the comparative degree, that we have the formula in the next. Okay, now very few positive degree. See the number fifth. Very few cities in the world are as big as Mumbai. See, this positive degree, as big as, this is the positive degree. Okay, and it has a word very few, so we have categorized it as a very few positive degree. Understand, the word which they had, that whatever the positive degree, we are categorized it. Now let's back. Okay, see the first example and the formula. Formula means what? When you are changing positive degree to the comparative degree, that is the formula. Now see, positive degree to comparative degree, when you are changing, that time you have to take a new subject. New subject means what? New subject means the subject which is used at the end of the sentence in the given sentence. End of this, at the end. See the sentence, Ram is as tall as Sham. Now here Ram is usual subject, okay, and Sham, this we are going to consider as a new subject. Okay, the last subject we are considering as a new subject. So first in the sentence, see the first example, in that we have to take Sham. See the formula along with the example also. Okay, now what I said, new subject. New subject means what? You have to see one minute. New subject means what? You have to take Sham first. Done. Sham is the last subject, you have to take as a new subject. Then helping verb. Helping verb is, which is the helping verb? Ram is. So is helping verb, use adjectives. Now one more thing you should understand, what I written NEGR. NEGR means what? Negative rule. What is negative rule? Say behind me. NEG means negative rule. NEG means what? Negative rule. NEG means what? Negative rule. So what is the negative rule? If you find anywhere, you will not get. So these are the revised and decided. So negative rule means what? In short, if in the sentence, if we are using, if the given sentence is affirmative, means in the given sentence, if there is no word not, if there is not, we have to take not. This is the negative. We are going opposition. In the given sentence, see the first sentence. Ram is as tall as Sham. Is there word? Not. One time again repeat. Ram is as tall as Sham. Is there word not? Not. N-O-T is there? No. So, in the answer we are going to take it. So, that is the negative rule. If it is not there, we are going to take not. If it is there, we are not going to take in the answer. So, that is the negative rule. Now, see what is Sham is not. Till here understand? New subject, helping verb, negative rule. Means what? In the given sentence, there is no not, so we have took. Sham is not. Now, add the sign of comparative degree, that is er than. So, taller than. And take the old subject. What is written? Old, old subject. What is the old subject? Ram. Take the Ram at the end. So, your answer, when you convert the positive degree into comparative, your answer is Sham is not taller than Ram. Understand? Now, next. No other PD. Same new subject you have to take. Helping verb you have to take. Here you are not going to use negative rule. In only simple, you are using the negative rule. Simple comparative, simple positive. Only negative rule. New subject. Okay. Then helping verb. Er than, more than. Then after more than or er than, any other. What you are using? Any other and old subject. Means when the PD in the positive degree, if you have the no other word in that positive degree, when you are going to take that, how you are going to change that no other word? You are going to change no other word after er than, and you are using any other word. Instead of no other, any other is used in the comparative degree after than. Where you have to use after than in the comparative degree, you are using any other. Why? Because in the given positive degree, there is a word that is no other. See the example and see the formula. No other man in Athens was as wise as he. Now, which is the new subject? He. Okay, which is given in the given sentence last subject, that is we are considering as a new subject. Take it. He. Now, use the helping verb. He was. He is a singular, so we are using was. He was. Now, after new subject, what they said? Er than or the more than. So, wise, wiser. Wiser than. And after than, see the formula. Second formula. After than, any other is used. So, he was wiser than any other. Then take the first subject or the old subject. Any other done, take the old subject, remove no other. Okay, this is the first thing. Remove no other, use any other. That is done. Now, first subject. Any other man in Athens. So, what is our comparative degree? He was wiser than any other man in Athens. Now, next. Now, third positive degree we are changing into comparative. That is new subject plus helping verb. Then er than or more than and most other and old subject. Keep in mind, if you find in the positive degree very few word. So if very few is in the positive, what you have to take in the comparative? Most other. What you have to take? Most other. If you find very few in the positive, you have to take most other after than. After the sign of the comparative degree and remove very few. New subject, helping verb, er than, most other, old subject. Now see the sentence. First positive degree sentence. Very few cities in the world are as big as Mumbai. Now take the new subject. What is the new subject here? I repeat the sentence and see the sentence third. That is the sentence number 5. Positive to comparative you have to make. Very few cities in the world are as big as Mumbai. Take Mumbai first. Yes. Okay, new subject. Done according to formula. Then helping verb. Is. Now join er than, more than, bigger than. Done. Then after than use most other. Use most other. and take the old subject. Where if we are moving, so what is the first subject? Cities in the world. So Mumbai is bigger than most other cities in the world. This is our comparative degree. So remaining two parts, part number 2 and 3, we are going to see tomorrow. So what I taught today, understand? You will not find this type of rules or any type of a table anywhere. These are the all revised by me by observing the many grammar or studying many grammar textbook. So I have prepared by observing the 10th standard, 12th standard question papers, and then I have decided that these types of only the examples are coming, and according to that I have divided into the part. So just what to do, go through the this one, understand today. Okay, so today's homework, draw the chart and try to write down five time in your rough book. You try to learn, understand, go through the chart and learn it, understand it. Okay, if you have your doubts you can ask. Thank you.